Here I have RAZER phone and let me show you how to use Do Not Disturb options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the quick way to activate Do Not Disturb. Let's use upper bar twice and simply tap on Do Not Disturb right here. So as you can see, the alarms only mode is enabled. If you would like to change it, let's use this arrow right here, and here you can use the total silence. So this blocks all sounds and vibrations, including from alarms, music, videos and games. You can choose the priority only, so you won't be disturbed by sounds and vibrations except that you prioritize, or you can choose alarms only, so you just allow the alarm sound. And what's also really important, you can set up the time when the Do Not Disturb will be activated. It could be, for example, for an hour, or you can use until you turn it off. Let me use until I turn it off. Let's tap done. If you would like to find the Do Not Disturb settings, let's find the settings options right here. Here we have to choose the sound, tap advanced and select Do Not Disturb preferences. So here you can use some automatic rules to enable Do Not Disturb automatically every weekend, every weeknight, every event or every other rule, or you can choose priority only allows, and you can handle with the priority mode, so you can handle here with the reminders, events, repeat callers. You can accept some calls and messages from some favorite contacts as well. Alright, let's go back. And you can also block visual disturbance. So basically that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.